Iran, a nation surrounded by enemies, sanctions, and constant geopolitical pressure. Yet, despite isolation, it has built one of the most formidable military forces in the Middle East. From ballistic missiles to drone warfare, cyber operations, and proxy networks, Iran's defense system is designed not for attack, but survival. So, just how powerful is Iran's military in 2025? Welcome to Strike Intel, Lucky Imam, and today we dive deep into the real strength of the Islamic Republic of Iran's armed forces. Iran's military is divided into two main branches: the Artesh, which is the regular army, and the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps, IRGC. While the Artesh handles conventional defense, the IRGC controls Iran's most advanced weapons, ballistic missiles, and overseas operations. The IRGC also commands the Quds Force, responsible for Iran's foreign influence, including support for groups like Hezbollah in Lebanon, the Houthis in Yemen, and militias across Iraq and Syria. Together, the Artesh and the IRGC make up over 600,000 active personnel, with another 350,000 in reserves, making Iran's military manpower among the largest in the Middle East. Iran's ground forces are a mix of Soviet-era and domestically upgraded weapons. Their tank fleet includes hundreds of T-72s, older M60s, and Iran's own Karar main battle tank, which closely resembles Russia's T-90 design. While not the most advanced on paper, Iran's ground forces have decades of experience in asymmetric warfare, using mobility, terrain, and proxy tactics rather than raw firepower. Their strength lies not in technology but in doctrine. Ambush warfare, tunnel systems, rapid mobilization, and a nationwide defense network designed to wear down any invader. It's not a flashy force, but it's one built for survival and endurance. When we talk about Iran's military strength, one word dominates the conversation: missiles. Iran possesses one of the largest ballistic missile programs in the world. From short-range Fateh 1 and 10 rockets to the Shahab 3 and Khorramshahr medium-range missiles, Iran can strike targets up to 2,000 kilometers away, putting Israel, U.S. bases in the Gulf, and even parts of Europe within reach. These missiles are not just deterrents, they're strategic equalizers. When U.S. drones or bases were attacked in Iraq, Iran demonstrated that its missiles were not symbolic. They were accurate and operationally ready. Recent upgrades like the Fatah hypersonic missile signal Iran's next step: a glide vehicle capable of maneuvering at Mach 13. If verified, it would make Iran the first Middle Eastern country to enter the hypersonic arms race. If missiles are Iran's sword, drones are its shield and spear. In recent years, Iranian-made drones have redefined modern warfare. The Shahed 136 loitering munition, often called a kamikaze drone, has been used by Russian forces in Ukraine with devastating effect. Despite being inexpensive, its endurance, precision, and stealth make it extremely effective. Iran's drone program includes reconnaissance, strike, and suicide drones like the Mohijer 6 and a Babel 5, capable of carrying guided munitions. What's more alarming to Iran's adversaries is its ability to export drone technology to Russia, Hezbollah, and the Houthis, extending its military influence far beyond its borders. This low-cost, high-impact strategy makes Iran one of the most advanced drone powers outside of NATO and China. Persian Gulf, a narrow strategic choke point where 20% of global oil flows daily. Here, Iran doesn't need a huge navy. It needs a clever one. The IRGC Navy specializes in swarm tactics, using fast attack boats, mines, and anti-ship missiles to overwhelm larger forces. Iran also operates several mini-submarines, including the Ghadir class, ideal for shallow Gulf waters. Their navy may look outdated, but in the confined geography of the Gulf, it's perfectly tailored for guerrilla-style sea warfare. In a direct naval confrontation with the U.S., Iran would not win, but it could shut down the Strait of Hormuz, causing global economic shockwaves. Iran's warfare isn't limited to the battlefield. In cyberspace, it operates a network of elite hacker units responsible for espionage, infrastructure attacks, and influence campaigns. Iranian groups have been linked to attacks on U.S. banks, Saudi Aramco, and even Israeli power grids. On the space front, Iran has launched multiple military satellites, giving it limited reconnaissance capability and improving its ballistic missile accuracy. While far from American or Chinese standards, this combination of cyber and space assets gives Iran asymmetric reach. the ability to strike without crossing borders. Iran's greatest strategic advantage is its proxy network, stretching across the Middle East. Through the Quds Force, Iran funds, trains, and equips groups aligned with its ideology. Hezbollah in Lebanon, the Houthis in Yemen, Shia militias in Iraq and Syria all serve as forward defenses, extending Iran's influence and deterring foreign attacks. This network means Iran can project power without direct confrontation, fighting wars through allies that share its strategic goals. It's a doctrine of depth through decentralization, one that has kept Iran secure despite decades of sanctions and isolation. But Iran's military power isn't without limits. Years of sanctions have crippled its access to modern weapons. Its air force, still reliant on 1970s era F-14s and F-4s, is its biggest weakness. Limited funding and an isolated economy also constrain large-scale modernization. And while Iran's regional strategy is powerful, it has made many enemies, from Israel to Saudi Arabia and the United States. Iran's true power lies in deterrence and resilience, not global domination. In pure numbers, Iran cannot match NATO or China. But in strategy, it's a masterclass. Through innovation under pressure, asymmetric tactics, and strategic patience, Iran has built a self-sufficient defense ecosystem that turns every sanction into a lesson in adaptation. Its power comes not from advanced tech, but from ideological conviction, regional influence, and the ability to survive against all odds. So, how powerful is Iran's military? Powerful enough to survive, and to make every enemy think twice before pulling the trigger. This is Strike Intel, bringing you global defense intelligence, one nation at a time. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most powerful militaries.